Hello, Your Highness.
I want. Hold on. I want to dig.
I think that you look beautiful today, Your Highness.
Yes, my mom did it.
Your mom bought you that dress?
No, you did.
Oh, I did. Yeah, I know I did. It's a beautiful princess gown that spins. Where did you get that beautiful crown?
You got
Me did it. I did it. I know. And you're a princess. How beautiful you look. And it spins. Do you have... And you get dizzy too, don't you? Do you have princess friends?
Yeah.
And their name is?
Princess Ophelia, princess. When I was watching.
Oh.
You need to go pee.
Oh.